Keep it simple. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're making something super exciting for you. Healthy and delicious chia seed pudding. Ingredients: 1/4 cup chia seeds, 1 cup milk, dairy or plant-based, 1 to 2 tablespoons sweetener of your choice, such as honey, maple syrup, or agave nectar, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. Optional toppings: fresh fruits, nuts, shredded coconut, or granola. Instructions: in a bowl, combine the chia seeds, milk, sweetener, and vanilla extract. Stir well to combine. Let the mixture sit for about 5 minutes, then stir again to prevent clumping. This allows the chia seeds to absorb the liquid. Cover the bowl and refrigerate for at least 2 hours or overnight. During this time, the chia seeds will absorb the liquid and create a pudding-like consistency. After the pudding has set, give it a good stir to make sure there are no lumps. If desired, you can add more milk to adjust the consistency to your liking. Serve the chia seed pudding in individual bowls or jars. Top with your favorite fruits, nuts, shredded coconut, or granola for added flavor and texture. Enjoy your delicious and nutritious chia seed pudding. Play around with different additions to make it your own. Thanks for watching.